And finally, exercise 8, compute this integral, this definite integral from 0 to 1, x to the power of 2 dx. Okay, so when we ask about the integral of a function, what we basically ask is, okay, what function has the property such that if I take the derivative, I get x to the power of 2. And maybe you already have some experience now with taking derivatives, but I hope you agree that if we take the function 1/3 times x to the power of 3, if we take the derivative of this function, then let's see what happens. This is 1/3 times 3 times x to the power of 3 minus 1. This is then 3, I can cancel here, and this is indeed x to the power of 2. And this is the so-called antiderivative. So 1/3 times x to the power of 3 is the antiderivative of x squared, such that, if you compute here further this integral, then what we have to do is to insert here the antiderivative from 0 to 1. And then we just plug in these two boundaries. So I start with plugging in 1. It's 1 to the power of 3 minus 1/3 times 0 to the power of 3. And 1 to the power of 3 is just 1. So I get here for the first term 1/3. And this is just 0. So our answer is, this is just 1/3. Yeah? And if we draw this, what we actually just computed, so this is the function x squared. Looks a little bit like this, and what we computed here is the area between 0 and 1. So our answer is that this area here is equal to 1/3.